Racine property walkthrough, lower level, standing just inside the front door, looking through the home. First thing is into the living room. Nice high ceilings, archway, looking back to the front door, and a bay of windows and a coat closet. Walking through into the dining room with the rebuilt stairway. There used to be a closet here, therefore need to kind of do some floor patching right here. Off of the dining room, there is a pocket door which goes into a kid's room with built-in lofts. An original hardwood floor. There's another loft. So this room could sleep 3. And then walking back into there, a sizable closet. Walking back out. Off of the dining room is the kitchen, where there's been some tile updates, but it's also showing some mildew and mold. Not sure how much of this could be salvaged. It's a corner cabinet in the bath for storage, and then vanity and toilet. Walking back out. Stuff here and there that needs to be put back together from mid-renovation. There's another bedroom with the original floor. Likely needs to be refinished. Walking in, that's a double bunk bed with a pretty sizable closet in here as well. All the windows are original in the home. And then off of this bedroom is the kitchen with original cabinetry with a cutout for the dishwasher. Eating kitchen area, looking back towards the rear door of the home, which leads out to the garage in the backyard, where there's an extra parking and a kid's play set. And then a nice deck and walkway as well. But there's also cubbies for when you come in from the garage. And then looking back towards the rest of the home. Off of the kitchen is a pantry, which has a window. There used to be an entry door, but that since has been blocked up. And it's actually open to the stairwell in the dining area, and then the door which leads down to the basement, which we'll go do next.